All right, this is the melody of the C section for Rondo with a repeat. 1, 2, 3. All right, this is going to be a video of me breaking apart the C section for Rondo. It is going to be all on eighth notes, except for the end. The end will have quarter notes. Everything else is going to be eighth notes in here, TTs. Okay, so it's going to start on, the first pattern is going to start on little E, and you also will have your big G. In this section, actually, you're going to have big G a lot, so be prepared to have a lot happening with the big G here. So the first pattern, right hand's going to get the E, little E, and then you're going to come to the G and alternate back and forth. So you have E, G, 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 G. If you want to think of that in numbers, counting that would be 1 and 2 and 3 and. Then we have a similar pattern to that, but instead of E, it's going to start on C. So you have C, G, 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 G. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Putting those together, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So right hand will get your E and your C, and then you alternate back and forth on those G's. All right, the next pattern here is going to be left hand gets the G's, right hand will get some different notes over here. So the right hand for this pattern is going to get D, C, and D, and the left hand's just going to put a G in between each of those. So like this, D, G, C, G, D, G. Again, D, G, C, G, D, G. Okay. Right after that, same thing, left hand's still going to get the G's, but different notes are in the right hand for this one. It's just E, D, and C. So walking down from E, and the left hand will just put a G in between. So you get E, G, D, G, C, G. So when we put those two patterns together, so the right hand is responsible for D, C, D, then E, D, C, and then a G in the left hand in between. So it sounds like this. D, G, C, G, D, G, E, G, D, G, C, G. So I'm going to play that from the beginning of the B section with all 4 of those patterns. So you have E, G, 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 C, G, 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 D, G, C, G, D, G, E, G, D, G, C, G. Okay, we're not out of the woods yet. There's a little bit more after this, but the good news is there's some repeated patterns. So after that, you're going to get your E, G, 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 C, G, 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 G again. So that'll happen right after. And then the ending's a little different. You'll still do your D, G, C, G, D, G. Okay. But instead of doing the E, D, C this time, we're going to have the ending on quarter notes. So it'll just be C, C, G. So little, big, G. Okay. So here is the second part of the B section. It's going to be E, G, 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 C, G, 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 D, G, C, G, D, G, C, C, G. Okay. So let me play for you now the B section from beginning to end with all those patterns together. And I'm doing it slowly here for you. From beginning to end. 1, 2, 3. E, G, 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 C, G, 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 D, G, C, G, D, G, E, G, D, G, C, G, E, G, 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 C, G, 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 D, G, C, G, D, G, C, C, G. Okay. But then this pattern will repeat. So on the repeat, you'll do everything the same, but at the end, instead of going C, C, G, you're just gonna go C, C, and then a rest where the G would have been. Okay, so that will sound like this. Slow. I'm gonna go through slowly, this time with the repeat. Here we go. So we have E, G, 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 C, G, 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 D, G, C, G, D, G, E, G, D, G, C, G, E, G, 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 C, G, 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 D, G, C, G, D, G, C, C, G, E, G, 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 C, G, 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 D, G, C, G, D, G, E, G, D, G, C, G, E, G, 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 C, G, 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 D, G, C, G, D, G, C, C. All right, that's the B section. Good luck. Or excuse me, that's the C section. Good luck.